Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are cleaning up my house. There's lots to get done. We have the dishes, just normal cleaning, vacuuming, mopping, and just lots to do. So I hope that this video motivates you. I am so sorry that I did not post last week. It has been crazy busy. This month is always such a crazy and busy time of the year. My birthday is on Friday, so it is just quite busy, but I hope that you enjoy today's video. Thank you so much for being here. Let's get started. I'm not sure how many cleaning videos I will share on this YouTube channel, but if you do enjoy them and if you do enjoy this video, let me know down in the comments. I would definitely love to hear from you all. If you do enjoy the cleaning videos, then I will try to keep up with them and share them along with you guys. But if you like the gardening and the preserving and canning and homemaking videos more, let me know, especially that's what I'm planning to do on this channel. But again, if this motivates you and gets you moving and you enjoy it, let me know so that I can incorporate some of the cleaning videos on my channel.
You want to leave this place where we grew up, this old town, just put it all behind. Remember you and I would always find somewhere to hide when we were kids, so we could see and hear the water run. The river's gonna cry when you're gone. here, hanging on, waiting River's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're gone. Hoping you would stay, but I've always known that you would go and find your own way. I still see when we climbed up in those trees, 12 years old, to feel the wind and watch the river run. And the sun would always shine when we sat there, you and I. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're. The river's gonna cry when you're. The river's gonna cry when you're gone. It's gonna cry, it's gonna cry. You want to leave this place where we grew up, this old town, just leave it all behind. The river's gonna cry when you're gone.
I hope that you all are having a wonderful week, and I hope that you have a wonderful weekend. Let me know down in the comments, what are your plans for this weekend? The weather is looking so beautiful here where I live, and I definitely have so many plans for this weekend. I think that I'm going to take my family to the aquarium, and we're going to hit up a farmer's market, and I am just so excited for it. I'm so happy that it's finally farmer's market season again, where it's outside, it's warm weather, and time to buy all of the local fruits and vegetables and all their goodies. I definitely love farmers market season. But yeah, I would love to hear, what are your plans for this weekend, especially if it is really nice this weekend where you live.
I've been staring at the ceiling, I've been staying up all night. Everything I ever
For Mother's Day, my mom picked me some beautiful flowers and bundled them all up in this jar. They are all from her garden. So there is some calendula, chive blossom flowers, borage, a peony, a ranunculus, as well as a dahlia. And then there's the orange and yellow one. I'm not sure what those ones are, but they are just so beautiful, and they stayed pretty fresh on my table for a few days, and then they obviously died, but it was so sweet of her to give me some of her garden flowers. They were so beautiful.
But I ain't got nothing left. And I know there's so much more to this life, but it's hard to see it clearly. Yeah, I try my best, but nothing turns out right. God, I need you now so dearly, 'cause I've been running circles, trying to catch my breath. I've been trying everything I can, but I ain't got nothing left.
Here in this house, it is all wood flooring, well, vinyl. There's no carpet, there's barely any rugs, except for in my son's room and right here in the kitchen, and of course the bathrooms. But this house is so dirty all of the time. Living with a kid who is constantly making messes and constantly eating food and making messes with the food, and living with a very fluffy shedding dog, there is always crumbs and dirt and dust and hair all over my house. I honestly cannot keep up with it. I am vacuuming and mopping and cleaning every single day, all of the time, multiple times a day. It's just crazy because this apartment is so small, much smaller than when we lived with my mom in her house. Of course, we lived in a bedroom, but we shared the whole house, and I was able to keep that house pretty clean for the most part. It was carpeted, but it was never like as dirty as this house. So it's honestly crazy how I cannot keep up with this house. It is just constantly dirty. His bedroom floor always has hair and crumbs in it. I let him eat in there sometimes, and then our dog stays with him all the time. He's his little protector. And then there's lots of crumbs always in our kitchen and living room and hallway. So it's just constantly dirty. And let me know down in the comments if your house is the same exact way and if you struggle to keep up with it as well.
It's been 4 weeks since you called, and I've been waiting here for you all along. I've been waiting here for you all along. Where you been? Where did you go? I wonder if you found what you're looking for. Wonder if you found what you're looking for. I hope it's not too late. I want you back here with me. We never should have said it's better this way. I'd rather be with you than someone I don't know. Now it's like we're living in two separate worlds. Come on back to me. Say that you won't go. I can't cope without you, and I wanna hold you close. Say that you won't go. Say that you won't go. It's been so cold without you here. We barely said goodbye before you disappeared. It's been so cold without you here. I'm not gonna lie, don't know what I'd do without you. Maybe we could try to figure out a way to put our past aside. I've realized I only want you. I hope it's not too late. I want you back here with me. We never should have said It's better this way.
So I recently just bought this vac mop on Facebook Marketplace for a really good price. It is like a Tinko vac mop. So it's like a mop vacuum, and it does a really great job. I do have to empty it out and fill it up constantly while I'm mopping my house. I have to empty it like 3 times and fill it up about 4 times. But it works really well. It's super easy to mop my house now. I used to have a steam mop, but I gave it to my mom, and that one was amazing. It was phenomenal. I don't remember exactly what brand it was, but then I got this one to make it easier on my back and my knees and my hips. And it does such a great job. It's so easy to mop with, and it vacuums at the same time, so it vacuums up crumbs or hair if I missed it. Normally I like to go through with the vacuum first so I can get the majority of all the crumbs and the hair, because there's just so much in the house. I mean, you guys saw how fast the vacuum filled up. But there's always a little bit that I miss, so this mop vacuums it up while I mop up the floors, and it does such a great job. I'm really impressed. I'm so happy that I ended up getting it. But yeah, I just wanted to say that I really do enjoy this mop. But I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for being here. I hope that it motivated you and got you up and moving and cleaning along with me. I will let this video continue on. There is still like 5 minutes of this video, but thank you so much for being here. And again, if you do want to see more cleaning on this channel, just let me know down in the comments. If you guys do need this motivation and enjoy it, then I definitely will keep it here on my channel and do it just a little bit, not like every week and not all the time, but whenever I have a chance to share a cleaning video with you all, I will make sure to do that. But if you do just want to keep it homemaking and you enjoy the gardening and preserving and homemaking, then I will definitely keep it more that way. But yeah, I love to hear from you guys. Thank you again for being here. Have a wonderful rest of your week and a wonderful weekend, and I cannot wait to see you all next week.
You'll find what you've got. I met a young man, searching for glory. I took out an old pen and wrote in my story. Then I kept walking on down the road. When the time is up, it's time to go. I pray he reads what's on the note and takes to heart what I wrote. I said, son, when you grow up, you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers, and you'll find what you've got. When you grow up, you'll be fine.
Jumping on here one last time, the floor was utterly disgusting, as you all saw. I'll show you once again because I have to go pour it out. But this Tinko mop vac also has a self-clean setting, and I show that at the very end. It does a really great job self-cleaning itself. I like to run it about 3 times after I mop so that it can get really clean for my next time I need a mop. But it works really phenomenal with the self-cleaning and the mopping. I really do enjoy this mop vac.
Woman that I love, it's too bad she'll never know. Yeah, I can't tell her how I feel, because she has someone who makes her happy. I'm a ghost in these walls,